Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito kay Bitcoin. Kung saan ang sabi po rito ay top analyst expects 40% Bitcoin price correction before rally to 150k or $150,000. Here's why. Kaya yan, meron pa daw pong isang kilalang analyst dito. Ang inaasahan daw po niya na ang presyo ni Bitcoin ay makakaranas daw po ng 40% na price correction or pagbagsak. Pero kasunod po nito ay ang kanyang pagsabog patungo sa presyong $150,000. At ayan, bago po natin alamin yung kanyang paliwanag dito ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. At ayan, ang sabi rito ay Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency, witness a rally beyond $52,000 level lately. It has spurred a bullish outlook with increased optimism around Bitcoin's surge to $100,000. On the other hand, analysts have even provided a target of $150,000 in the long run. However, the Bitcoin's price is expected to experience a correction of up to 40% before that. Kaya yan pong muli. Ang kalagayan po ni Bitcoin ay nagkaroon po siya ng rally at lumampas na po siya sa presyong $52,000 nitong nakalipas na mga araw. Ngunit meron po mga analyst ang nagsasabi na si Bitcoin ay posible raw po siyang umakyat hanggang sa $100,000. At yan, meron pang isang analyst na nakapagsabi na si Bitcoin ay magagawa niyang akyatin ang $150,000 yan in the long run. Ngunit bago raw ito mangyari ay makakaranas daw po muna ng correction itong si Bitcoin at babagsak ng 40% bago mangyari ang kanyang prediction na ito na aakyatin ni Bitcoin ang presyong $150,000. Analysts take on 40% correction in Bitcoin price. Renowned cryptocurrency analyst Michael Van de Poppe has made bold predictions regarding Bitcoin price trajectory, foreseeing a rally to $150,000 preceded by a massive pullback. In a recent analysis, Pope emphasized the possibility of a 40% correction in the BTC price before it resumes upward trajectory. Kaya yan po, ang kilalang analyst na ito ay si Ginoong Michael Van de Poppe. Siya po ang nakapagsabi na si Bitcoin muna ay makakaranas ng 40% na price correction bago ang kanyang pagsabog. According to Pope, market sentiment often overshoots reality, leading to exaggerated price movements. He stated sentiment is always wrong indicator. Emotions always exceed reality, and sentiment overshoots the price action by mile. That's why people start to lose money. This sentiment-driven volatility has been evident in recent market movements, including Bitcoin's surge to $50,000 and subsequent corrections. Kaya yan po yung paliwanag dito ni Ginoong Michael de Poppe. Ayan, sabi niya ay yung sentiment. Kapag sinabi po nating sentiment ay ito po yung emotion ng mga traders at saka investors pagdating po sa market. At ayon po sa kanya rito ay mali daw ito na gamiting indicator. Kaya yan, sabi niya rito ay ang emotions kasi ay laging yan, lampas sa katotohanan. Kaya yan yung kanyang sabi rito. At ang dahilan, yan raw yung dahilan kung bakit ang mga tao ay ayan, natatalo. Ayan, moreover, Pope cautioned traders and investors to adopt a strategic game plan based on their risk tolerance and investment horizon. For short-term traders, he advised caution, especially when prices have appreciated rapidly. If your horizon is relatively short, then it might not be the positive EV to buy an asset that appreciated 35% in 10 days. He remarked furthermore, he highlighted the importance of assessing risk-reward ratios before making trading decisions. Yan po yung pinaka-payo dito ni Ginoong Michael D. Pope para sa mga traders at saka investors, kung saan ay kailangan daw po nating gumamit ng isang estratehiya na nakabase po sa ating risk tolerance at saka investment horizon. Kung pag risk tolerance, ito po yung kaya po nating i-risk na pwedeng mawala sa ating capital or sa ating pondo. Ayan, the pullback is anticipated to come after the Bitcoin price peaks between $53,000 and $58,000. In contrast, Pope suggested that long-term investors could benefit from waiting for a standard 20% to 40% correction before entering a market. If your horizon is 2 to 3 years from now and you suspect to see Bitcoin at $150,000 in that window, then there's no big issue of starting to scale at these prices, he noted. This approach will allow investors to capitalize on market dips and manage emotions effectively. Kaya yan, ayon po kay Ginoong Michael D. Pope, kapag umakyat daw po si Bitcoin sa presyong $53,000 at saka $58,000, ay dito na po siya magkakaroon or makakaranas ng correction na 20 to 40%. Impact of macroeconomic factors on Bitcoin. Pope also discussed the impact of macroeconomic events on Bitcoin's price movements, citing factors such as the Consumer Price Index or CPI data. He warned that negative macroeconomic developments could trigger a swift bearish turn in the Bitcoin price. Honestly, I think the movement that macroeconomic events is slightly negative. It would suggest that we're going to see a correction, he stated. Kaya yan ang isa raw pong posibleng bagay na makapagdulot sa correction ni Bitcoin ay ang negative macroeconomic developments. In addition, the hot January Producer Price Index or PPI data led to extreme volatility in the market, adding to the impact caused by the January CPI report. Despite the potential for short-term volatility, Van de Pope expressed confidence in Bitcoin's long-term prospects, predicting a rally to $150,000, whilst other analysts provided a bullish outlook for Bitcoin price as they offered a $100,000 target. At press time, BTC price was down by 0.86% to $51,516.41 on Saturday, February 18. It boasted a market capitalization of $1.01 trillion, whilst the 24-hour trade volume dropped by 12.65% to $21.72 billion. The recent bearish turn in Bitcoin price could be attributed to the negative PPI report published on Friday. Kaya yan po ulit, isang kilalang analyst na si Ginoong Michael D. Pope. Yan, si Michael D. Pope ang naglabas ng kanyang prediction dito kay Bitcoin, kung saan ay makakaranas daw po muna ito ng 40% na pagbagsak or price correction bago po siya sumabog patungo sa presyong $150,000. At hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siya magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood, ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.